Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to adjust screen brightness in Windows 10 and Windows 11. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, how to adjust screen brightness in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Just click in the start icon in the bottom left. After that, here type settings. And then you see here setting system, click on it. After that, click system and then select display, and you see here brightness color, change brightness for the built-in display. I have it here 100%, but here if you want to decrease it, and here to increase it. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to adjust screen brightness in Windows 10 and Windows 11. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.